everyone, welcome back to Car Crazy Kids. Today's video is going to be totally groovy because we're talking about the amazing Force Motors Traveler. Let's do the unboxing. Today we have a scale model yellow school van from Centy Toys. It looks cool and just like the real one. A bit of history about this van. It all started in the year 1958 as the three-wheeler. It was also called the Tempo those days. Speaking of road trips, let me tell you the Traveler is built for adventure. Whether you're cruising down the coastline or parking at a music festival, this van is all about good vibes and making memories. Are you ready to see how this van travels through the daily life of school children as a school bus? But it's not just for the young and hip. The Tempo Traveler is perfect for family fun too. Imagine road tripping with your family and having a blast. It's not just a vehicle, it's a memory-making machine. If you enjoyed cruising through this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye!